Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to share these lotion keychains that I made, and I was inspired by LBE after watching one of her videos. And in her videos, she made these with Bath and Body Works little travel size lotions. And what I have here in mine are 1 ounce travel size lotions I got off of Amazon, and I had a bunch of beads and all this cute little these tassels and beads and little charms, as you can see there. I put my own spin on them, and I just came up with all of these. And here are some more. There's a little close-up. Love the butterfly. So many really cute little charms that I had in my stash. And in LBE's video, she made little gift sets out of them, and they came out really cute. But I have a show coming up pretty soon, and I don't know if I should put them in little gift sets or not, because I really like the display here. And basically, I just did this for the video, and I just like the way it came out. So I don't know. What do you think? I think they came out really cute. Again, I got the little lotions off of Amazon, and they came out to about 35 cents a piece, because I got them, I think it was a 56-piece set of, I don't know, all these assorted little scents, and all these the packages I just love. So they're really cute and colorful, and I think they came out really nice. So anyway, I just wanted to share. Hopefully you'll like them. What do you think? I love that purple. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm going to keep that one. I don't know. So anyway, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And take care.